why do Canberra drivers find it so hard to stay in their lane? This was all on one lesson. As you can see, this Porsche has come straight over into our lane and continued into our lane behind us. It's very scary to think that this footage was all captured in 1 hour lesson with a learn to drive student. This is what a learn to drive student has to put up with. As you can see, the Mercedes over the other side is just trying to do a U-turn or something, not too sure what they're up to. Then we, after the lights turn green, we move off. Then we have a Camry next to us, seems to be driving normal. This is a 70 km/h road, as you can see by the signs. My learner's still a bit nervous, not getting up to speed quite as good as they could, but still they're going with the flow, the same as the Camry. As you can see, the Camry's not the best with speed control. They slow down, and then now they speed up, but they don't seem to have the concept of how to use the side mirrors, because as you can see now, they don't realise that we're next to them until they look in their centre mirror and suddenly notice we're there and dive back into the other lane, because they've just probably had a bit of a panic attack that they nearly ran into another car. And then this comes along to the new set of traffic lights on Kent Street in Deakin. Was a roundabout, and now they've decided to change it into traffic lights. The design leaves a little to be desired. As you can see, there's 3 dotted lines to the right of us in this intersection. The first dotted line's totally unnecessary and actually makes it illegal to turn right, because you're not allowed to cross a dotted line in an intersection. So they should delete that first dotted line. So that's for going straight ahead, and then we have our own lane to the left, and the people to the right of us have their own lane to the right. But as you can see, as we come around, the car to the right of us gets a bit confused and wants to come into our lane, and then you can see their lane turns up there, and later on they realise that they couldn't go